Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is okay. Today I'll discuss a new decentralized project. The name is Antex. All the thing of Antex is good to discuss about Antex in details to their website and for my opinion. Hope able to understand all the thing about this project. Okay, don't skip the video, stay full video. So let's discuss the main topics about this project. Antex is a decentralized financial infrastructure. Antex provides the foundation building layer for a new digital economy with the following product: stablecoin, crypto fiat, DEX, launchpad, lock, liquidity and lock token, and connection crypto, the railroad by Antex. So click this right button. You want to buy their coin. So smart contract and to lock BND token and to launch and to Antex wallet roadmap team partner. So everything is fine on this project. Our vision Antex a hub of global digital financing. Antex vision. Antex ecosystem long-term vision and the mission being the most conversion optimized and the security platform for developer, project owners and the community. Antex ecosystem BND stablecoin. BND stablecoin is the block is liquidity with the BND rate of the bilateral loans, the payment intermediary licensed by the State Bank of Benjamin. Transaction and payment service BND wallet. BNDT a truly digital banking. BND's vision approaching technology to real time with the pay service, allowing user to interact or daily service within the BND wallet. Unique of the BND wallet to optimize and encourage user digital access by crypto and commission related scan anti-lock and the lock liquidity which become the foundation in the fifth. See more details until launch. So a new launch that is generation with two future entire liquid offering and IWTL DEX offering the best thing. After last bring the process for developer the project owners investment plus for the investor community with the flexibility or decentralized this future service contact centralized of decentralized landscape problems issue the user experiment conventionally with the future swag launch will still including that absolutely security with the anti-works functionally and Antex blockchain wallet, the next generation DeFi wallet, provide innovative feature in storing, exchanging cryptocurrency and NFT. The roadmap, it is clear roadmap of this team, version 2021, launching BND wallet on Android. BND wallet released the country giveaway on swap, launching BND wallet last 2020 lost token and liquidity. Launching Antex blockchain wallet, launching is Antilax, the last pad of the Antilax, question 2020 to NFT marketplace soft level, Antilax support for Polygon, Matic, Antilax to launching the BN Smart Launch Chain, and the product, question for 2021 BND to wallet, releasing in function capital wall, so launching the progress okay. Question 2021 NFT marketplace is able to launch support for Cardano launching previous contract. Question 3 2020 launching Antex the Charity Foundation and launch support for Polkadot team Hindi team CEO. He is honestly man on cryptocurrency Dantari Leafly CTO Faris Shizugo Igam Sipo Bantahan Sipo, okay. Investor, so okay. Kingston Vina Daumihipu is advisor. Partner investment fund. The next thing the legal co-upholding business the payment for media so जाएगा press release following. And next, okay guys, their social media link, website, please visit it, their website. Maybe you can understand about this project. Telegram link, please click this right button, you can see their Telegram. Telegram, so Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Reddit, please click this right button, we can see their tutorial on this project. Official, please see their video. Okay guys, and text. There is a many video on this project. Please visit their YouTube channel. Okay guys, and text a half of global digital financing, one of the best project at this moment in time. I hope this project has a bright future, and this project give us a very good profit. Don't worry, all members, all team members honestly on this project. Okay guys, no more today.